Hey, have you ever had these sweet and tangy barbecue flavored Doritos yet? Well, me neither. Let's give them a go. Mm-hmm. Doritos never disappoints. Those are really good. You know, at first they kind of remind me of those barbecue, corn nuts almost, corn nuts and corn chips, but this has its own unique taste as well. You could tell it's some Doritos, but very, very akin to that. Tastes like another one. Plenty of barbecue salt on there and spices. I could eat a whole bag of these things, one right after the other. Yep, very addicting. There's nothing wrong with that. You get just a little bit of sweet and sour out of that. Freaking delicious. I don't eat chips on the reg anymore, but if I did, I'd be going after these. Very good. I always laugh because the bag's a certain size and only a certain percentage of that bag is filled up. And I'm sure there's good reason for it. I'm not quite sure what it is. Oh, look at that one. That looks like a winner right there. All right, let's give that one a go. Wow. Yep. That almost tasted like biting into a piece of well barbecued chicken. Dang. That is good. All right, last one. Famous last words. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you're after some chips, go pick some of these up. You won't be sorry.